don't go too far because you're gonna see things that I don't want you to see yet. So don't look back, don't look behind me. We're gonna just face this way. Welcome to our very first home. Very echoey in here because there's nothing in here. But if you've watched our vlogs, you'll know how emotional this has been. So we are just thrilled to be able to share this with you guys. So we're gonna give you a tour of our new house. Taz is behind the camera. I wish we could do it together, but we need a videographer for this. So let's just jump right in. If you have no idea like what we went through for buying a house, there's a playlist where you can watch like literally our entire journey because y'all, it was not easy. And I've watched thousands and thousands and thousands of these in the past, and it was literally just a tour. And I just wanna remind you that if you're in a period of where you feel like you're stuck or you're struggling or you just, you know, your dreams aren't coming to pass. For us, it was buying a house. Just hang in there, trust in the Lord because he will always provide and his timing is always perfect. So I just wanted to say that because I know a lot of people see home tours and they're like, wow, they're so lucky, they're so blessed, but there's so much more behind that. Like our story was just not this house, right? So just remember that when you're going through this tour, just remember like we've been in dark times, dark places, challenging times, and we're so excited. I'm blabbing because I'm so excited, but I just want you guys to know that we're so grateful and we're so blessed. So without further ado, let's start this tour. So you walked into the house and we have a foyer, which is what we wanted. I've always, as a little girl, wanted a foyer because I just thought it was so luxe and so beautiful. So this is the foyer. This is the garage. It is a 2-car garage. I will say we don't have a garage opener yet, so we have to install that. But plans for here is lavabo storage and then a home gym, which we're starting to already stock up on equipment. I don't know. So that's that. Then we're gonna go left from the front door where all of our bedrooms are. So this is a 4-bedroom, 1 spare room, my office home. And this is probably the room with the best light. All the rooms are really decently sized. The floors are like a light wood. I wish it were a little bit lighter, but this is absolutely perfect. And then, so we have these giant windows. And one thing that we really like about these, like these blinds are like the easiest blinds you will ever use. You just pull them up and then pull them down instead of that like cord that you have to like hope it works, you know? And then this is our closet. Closets are really good size as well for storage, equipment. I want to be as organized as possible moving forward. So that is the closet of this first spare room. Come on over. Then we have this second room. Again, this is probably the smallest and, to put it like in terms, the one with the worst light. So Taz and I actually said that we are, like if you want to nap, this is the room to nap in. And then the closet also is really great. It comes with some built-ins. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with what room. I think I want to use that one for filming. This would be a guest room, but this has a really great storage closet. So I might store cameras in here. I don't know. And then we come down this little hallway. I want to do like a gallery wall right here. Just like of all our pictures and stuff, and then replace them when babies and everything comes. So this is our guest bathroom. We got so lucky. The person that originally built this house, like the client, they designed everything, and luckily for us, they decided they wanted 2 sinks. And then they did the marble backsplash, which we love. Then we have a cabinet over here, just your regular guest bathroom. But I'm just really happy that there's 2 sinks. So then this is the third room, and this one is oh, we didn't open the curtains here. So this one gets good light as well. And then this closet is like your traditional closet where you just have that built-in right there. But like I was saying, I think 2 of these are going to be guest rooms. We have a lot of family coming into town because of my bridal shower next week and then the wedding. And so 2 rooms will have beds, and then the other one, I think we're just gonna kind of figure out what we need. I think off the bat, I say filming, but you never know until you're fully in the space. So I'm gonna have Taz turn around and he's gonna follow me, and we're gonna show you go over there. We're gonna show you the grand reveal of our living room and our kitchen. And y'all, when we saw this, we were like, what in the heck? Let's start here. We have a little closet right here, just for obviously coats or whatever. And then, you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this? So this floor plan, this is an optional dining room or spare bedroom. Not bedroom, like office or something. What do they call it? Flex space, thank you. And the woman before us that was gonna buy this house decided on the flex space. And y'all, I thank God that she did, because we have my office. This huge ceilings, like I die. Like you can see how high the ceilings are. Very echoey because there's nothing in here, but this is gonna be, I have like great plans for this room. Office space, a workout space where I can do my videos and just provide really, really good content. I'm so excited. Sorry, the mic. I am so excited. Okay, let's move on over to the living area. So this is the living room. Just like, I don't know if you've got the ceiling yet, but it has these, what are they called again? Copper ceilings, which I mean, instantly makes your home like look a lot more like luxurious, and just the detail is just so beautiful. And then we have our 10.5-foot island. Honestly, when we saw this, we were like, what the heck? So, I mean, I don't have words for this. I just love the kitchen. I love how it has, like, it kind of separates the room just with like the ceiling, not fixtures, but like the, what I call it, like the aesthetic of this, I don't know what it is, but you get what I'm saying. It like separates the room. And then we have these gray countertops. Not gonna lie, Taz and I wanna paint them, but sorry, I meant the cabinets, but also the backsplash. So we don't love this backsplash. So I think we're toying with the idea of spray painting them white or just doing the peel and stick that we've seen all over the internet. And then we have the gray cabinets. At first, I didn't love them, but I think what we're gonna do is put on the hardware, see what we like, and then if we don't like it down the line, we may paint them. But that's that. Then we have our pantry here, which is a nice sized pantry. And then we have our kitchen, our microwave, all the good stuff. We have this little space right here that leads to, oh, you're coming this way. We have this space right here that leads into our dining room. Now, typically these are really small. And so since we don't have like a separate dining area, this will be our dining area. So we wanna make it fit as many people as possible, because we are planning on having Thanksgiving and Christmas and all that stuff here. So I want to put like a long table. I'm not sure if it'll fit. We measured it, so I'm still debating. I am overwhelmed with all the options. So yeah, this is our dining room. It's got the nice bay windows, and then it has the backyard to our garage. Not garage, backyard. So the backyard came with a balcony, covered balcony, which we're super thankful for, especially for those Houston days where it's like super sunny and really hot. The woman opted for no grass, so we have to put in the grass. Taz is toying with the idea of putting turf or just actual grass, so we're still debating on that. And it's not huge. It's not huge, but it's a really good space for Kona and for Bleecker. And then, side note, we are actually behind a church. So it's like, I mean, we've said this so many times, it's like God literally had this house for us, and we're just so grateful. So that's the backyard. We'll come back inside. It's so crazy how the echo versus outside. That's the backyard. And then we have this cute little area here. I have big plans for this area, and when I say big, I mean expensive. I want a huge olive tree right here and a wooden bench right here. Oh, just, my wheels are turning, folks. My wheels are turning. Okay, and so we're gonna go down this way. We're gonna go this way first. Okay, so over to my left, your right is our master. Over to my right, your left is our laundry room. So we're gonna go here. And I'm really excited because we've never had a house together. So this is just a little thing. So this is our laundry room, kind of basic. We're just gonna put washer and dryer. We wanna kind of do, we wanna put a plank over the washer dryer, or counter, sorry, counter. And then we wanna kind of revamp this a little bit. We wanna make it like fun tile, just make it its own little moment. And then the cool thing is that this door actually leads to our bathroom, but we're gonna go the other way to show you that. So let's go. We have this little archway here. I wanna put like our house mirror and like candlesticks and a piece of, oh my gosh. Okay, you guys ready? This is the master. So we've got the high ceilings here as well. And Taz, it's funny because Taz, when we were like thinking about buying the house, or no, when we bought the house, put an offer in, he's like, I just really wish that the master was a little bit bigger. And then when we came back and we measured it, we're like, what the heck, it's huge. Like we can put, well, we ended up getting a California king bed here because why not? And then I love the bay windows. We've mentioned in previous vlogs that this house literally had things that we always wanted, but we never thought we could have at our first home, like the bay windows, the ceilings, like the high ceilings, the foyer, the 4 bedrooms, and the extra space. When we walk into the bathroom, you'll see what we're talking about, and it's just incredible how everything worked out. So again, this is our master. Just put the bed right here. I want to do like a seating area right here. We want to put a nice console / dresser right here, and then a beautiful pendant light. And then let me turn on these lights for you. We have, I'm gonna close the door and then do it again. Okay, you ready? You ready? We have our master bathroom. So we have the same counters as the kitchen, but then if you take a look over at the dime piece of the room, we have this floor to ceiling shower with this beautiful glass, no doors, no nothing. Like I'm gonna step in here so you can see how big this is. Like, this is wild. And one thing that we really liked about this house, Taz actually pointed out, is that the thing is on this side. So like you don't have to like turn on and then get out so you don't wet yourself, you know? So we have this little bench here that I mean, it's the little things that we just never thought we could get in our first home because these are all upgrades, right? So that's that. And then here we have just the toilet room. Taz used the bathroom, so I'm gonna put that seat down. Just the toilet room. We've never had a toilet room. We've always just had a bathroom with a toilet. And then this is our closet. Decently sized closet. We have some built-ins right there. And then we're gonna figure out how to kind of make this space work for both of us. We're thinking about like just adding some built-in for shoes, and this is not really like, we're not super concerned. So yeah, that's the entire house. Oh, and this is the room that I was talking about that leads to, we'll leave this way, leads to the laundry room, which leads back out here to our living space. So that's the house tour. I cannot wait to see what you guys all had to say. I am so excited, or I should say we are so excited to bring you guys along on this journey. And this just feels so incredibly surreal. Like I can't even believe that it's our house. Like I just can't even believe it. I actually want Taz to put down the camera so we can outro this together. Okay, let's put you. Okay.
All right, that's the house tour.
Yes, thank you.
I'm sweating from holding that camera. I need a chiropractor because this is what we were using. This is not small by any means. But yeah, I think we're just super excited to start this next chapter in our life. Expect a lot of DIY videos coming up.
Yeah.
We have a lot of projects in mind and things that we want to do. But yeah, I think
that's it.
I think that's it.
And again, we've said this so many times, but glory to God. Like,
glory to God.
Literally, this is not our doing, this is Him. And again, I just want to remind you, like, stay faithful, draw near Him. Like,
in those hard moments, you need to get closer to him. And I mean, you will reap all the blessings. Like, yeah, I could talk about this all day. So I'm just gonna wrap up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, or not the vlog, the house tour.
Let us know your thoughts.
Yes,
let us know what you might do in these areas.
Yes, I need decor. I need decor help. Like, what do I put in the living room? Like, what kind of sofa?
Right.
Okay, well, please help us. But thank you guys so much for watching. You have finally seen the house. We love you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.